G'day all, this is the OKMO R01 Rider Ericsson Stirling Engine. I've had this for a fair while now, and I've always wanted the R02. So last week this arrived, and it's a beauty. I really like this, and it complements the R01. Similar but quite different. But I'll give you a bit of a close-up look at the R02. Just a beautiful, very nice engine, very solid, extremely well built, like everything that Jim is making there at OKMO. But let's put some water in here. Okay, that'll be enough of that. And I have put some water in there, so it should pump. Alright, so let's light her up. Close that up. Alright. Okay, that should be warm enough to run now, so there we go. This is about as slow as I can get it to run, and that's just by turning that down absolutely minutely, just very, very incrementally turning that down. But you've also, when you turn that down, the accumulated heat that's already in the firebox, you've got to, because it's a Stirling engine, you've got to just allow time for that to cool down as well. So if you get one of these, just remember turning that down. There's a delayed reaction until it starts to slow down. But that's about as slow as I can get it to run. I've turned it down further, but it needs that much flame to go. So that's about as slow as this little R02 is going to run, which is fine by me. That's nice and slow. Very happy with this. I'll see if I can turn it around without knocking that flame. Just close that door a little bit. That flame is just on. I reckon that's running really nicely. Turn that flame up a little bit, and it won't take long. I'll turn the gas. I'll turn the gas off. that water's fairly warm, so it is going through the jacket and through this pump here and cooling the engine down. So there we have it, the OKMO R02 Rider Ericsson Stirling engine, and that's it next to the R01 OKMO Stirling engine. Just turn them both around. Just exquisite. All brass castings, powder coated in a nice, it's not a bright red, it's just it's a nice red. But Jin is just doing marvelous engines coming out from the OKMO factory. Okay, here's a close-up just before I go. It's just a beautiful engine. Okay, thanks for watching, and as always, bye for now.